Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make turmeric powder. Okay, so we're gonna start by grating the turmeric, which is one of the two methods I'm going to show you today. So this method is actually more stressful and more harmful to your fingers, and it takes more time, but this is the first method I am going to show you. So this is just you getting the turmeric and using a grater to get it into smaller bits, and you're going to do this till all the turmeric is done. Now you may wonder, why should you even make turmeric powder at home? First of all, majority of all the chronic conditions that we have are results of inflammation, chronic inflammation in our bodies. Now God has provided us with some amazing herbs and roots, one of which is turmeric, which can help fight off inflammation. Turmeric is an anti-inflammatory root or herb, and it is awesome. It has amazing benefits in the body. Now, inflammation can cause some of the major diseases that you already know, such as heart disease, cancer, even Alzheimer's diseases. Okay? This is the second method I am going to show you, which is by far the easiest. Simply put your turmeric in a blender or a food processor and pulse it, and it crushes it into smaller bits. You don't want to make a puree, just pulse it enough to make it into smaller bits. And then you scoop your turmeric into a plate or take it out of the blender. Because the longer you leave it in your blender, turmeric has a yellow pigment that stains everything that it touches, so you want to be careful. Next, you're gonna put it in a parchment paper and spread it evenly on a baking tray. Now you want to put a parchment paper, or you want to use a barrier, because you don't want the yellow pigment of the turmeric to stain your baking sheet permanently. Okay, so now spread the turmeric evenly on the baking tray, and then this is also a good time for you to check if you missed out any huge lump that you want to go ahead and crush. Now what I did is to preheat my oven at 400 degrees for about 5 minutes, and then I put off my oven and dried my turmeric in there for at least 12 hours. Okay, and then by the time I brought it out of the oven, it had been dehydrated. All the water content in it was all gone and dry. As you can see, it's also reduced in size, and also the color has changed a little bit. So this is how you would know that your turmeric is all dry. And see how the parchment paper protected the baking sheet. Romans 1:16, for I am not ashamed of the gospel of Christ, for it is the power of God unto salvation to everyone that believeth, to the Jew first and also to the Greeks. Now I'm going to blend my turmeric. I'm going to blend it into a very smooth powder. I've actually seen some people make turmeric powder and attempt to sieve it. I don't think that is necessary, because turmeric has fiber in it that we want, and I also don't think it is necessary to take out the skin or peel the turmeric before preparing the powder, because the peel has high content of antioxidants and a lot of properties that we need, and nutrients that we need, and fiber as well, so we don't want to take that out. So if your blender doesn't have a very strong or high power or watts, I would advise you to leave the turmeric and blend it for a longer time, just so you can get that consistency in the powder that you need. Okay, The most active ingredient or the most active compound in turmeric is actually called curcumin, and that is that yellow pigment that is found in the turmeric. Turmeric is highly anti-inflammatory, along with ginger and some other roots as well, and is readily available. And I would strongly advise all of us Team Healthy to make this at home, because it's quite easy to make, and you can also save your electricity bill. You make it and store it, and if you're like me that you use turmeric all the time, this is really going to be useful in your kitchen. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If this video has blessed you, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. Thanks. Bye bye.